guys, welcome back to my channel of my experience buying a Chloe bag from The Real Real. Real Real, an online consignment store, and you can find many bags and many luxury items as jewelry, clothing, and handbags. And of course, I was looking for a Marcy bag in the French version, and I found it. And it's this bag. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a little, like a lion. I just, thought that this was really cute, and of course, really nice for fall. Now, I have owned a Marcy bag before, and this was probably like 5 years ago, and I sold it. But it wasn't this one. It was just a regular one, and it was in another color. Now, this is my first time buying things from The Real Real. How they work is that just to sell their item, they go for an evaluation, and they make an appointment. Once they go and they make the appointment, they see the item, they evaluate it, and they will give them a price. Now, if somebody else purchases it like I did, they will get the money. But I think they have to, in order for them to release the money to the owner of this bag, it takes some time. Well, anyway, so I bought this bag yesterday. I received this bag yesterday night. But of course, I am very, very careful with the bags. There are people who kind of who love handbags if the bag is fake or it's real. This apparently looks real. The only thing though that will probably scare me, it's the little details. When you identify those little details that you can see if it's a knockoff or not. Now, I'm not sure if this bag is not real, but I am returning it, and guess why? I don't know if you can tell. When I open this, it has a Chloe over here, the Chloe logo over here. There's the pocket, and I haven't seen the real version with the certain things tells me that this is a knockoff bag. All right, I don't know if you can tell this. I'm gonna open this, and I want you to see it over here. Okay, I'm gonna post pictures, but this is not correctly done. I don't know if you can see it, but won't do a bag like this. You see how it's uneven over here? The stitching inside. It's over here. Even over here it says the date, and inside has like an authenticity code and stuff. It comes with the paperwork. You can see the code over here. It has Chloe over here. But it gets me over here. I don't know if you can tell. See? There's also over here, if you can see this, or if this is a knockoff or not. But these things tells me it might be, because Chloe will never sell a bag like this in this condition. Those little details you will see. Now this has a Chloe over here, but the way the house smells, it doesn't smell. It smells like really like an old Chinatown bag. But of course, it's probably one of the higher replica details. are the one that caught me. Now there are also videos on and a report of the RealReal saying that some of the items, like the high-end luxury items, will get authenticated by the authenticators, but not the little ones. And I'm talking about Chanel, I'm talking about Hermes bags, those, and Gucci bags. Those are the bags that are probably going, and they all like get authenticated by the real experts just because of the price of the bag. But these little bags, cheaper bags, are not really authenticated by an expert. So it's really like you take a chance, right? You take a chance if it's being inspected by a real authenticator or not. And this is the Chloe Marcy French bag. It's like carrying a little lion, right? Chloe has this on a mini version. It's a very small one. But it kind of like, I have difficulty putting my my iPhone in it, so that's why I wanted to get a big one. You know, and because of my lifestyle now, what I'm looking for, it's a big bag that I can just throw everything there and just like carry it with me. And I thought this was really cute for fall. It's like having a little lion. But anyway, the process with the RealReal were really nice. It was like, yeah, let me just you know, return the bag. I'm so sorry this happened to you. We can re-authenticate it for you, but I let you choose. And I was like, no, I don't want to take my chances. I just want to return it. So probably they will return it to the seller, and you know, we'll mark it as not authentic. Correct. I really do think it's not an authentic item because of the stitching, the lining. Jesus. You know, with this type of handbags, you have to really be careful. You have to have a good eye on the bags because everybody can tell, you know. I don't know, like it's me, and I kind of like can tell if the thing is fake or not. But the people who don't know and they just like trust the company, you know, you'll be scammed and get all your money, and they will eat all your money for a fake product, basically. All right. Okay guys, I hope this this video can help you before buying a second-hand pre-loved handbag. From now on, I mean, I just stick with Fashionphile really. I think I'll be more careful, especially because, oh, I forgot to tell you, but this was on a final sale, and it says on final sale products you won't get any money back, but you know, you won't get any money back in the product that you were expecting to be. So if this is not a real one, I don't think it's fair for you to keep it. So, you know, in case something like this happens to you in the future, you know, just get your money back. I hope they do, because I was really, like yesterday when I got this bag, I was like really taking in considerations to take legal actions if they were gonna get my money. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click a thumbs up, you know, put a comment, have any more questions. There you go. This is a Chloe Marcy bag, a French, and the medium size. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.